Hey guys, it's Ariel Versace and I'm New Jersey's life-size brat style. And you may recognize me from a little competition show called RuPaul's Drag Race. Now my signature cocktail we're going to be making today is called Ariels Grotto. It's yummy, it's coconutty, and it's perfect for the summer. We're going to take a little bit of coconut rum and put it inside of our glass. Now before we move on with our next ingredient, let's get a little serious. Now know this, we are going through a lot right now with our current healthcare crisis and the amazing Black Lives Matter movement. Pride actually did stem from a riot, and it was actually started by a member of the transgender Black community. So keep that at the front of your noggin and know that it's always important to remember the voices from before who are uplifting our community now. So cheers to them. Now the next thing we want to add into our cocktail is a little lemon lime soda. Mix that together real good. Now next for Ariel's Grotto, we gotta get a little bit of an aquatic color going on. So we're gonna take some blue CURACAO, that blue syrup stuff. Ooh. Now, what would Pride be without a little sparkle? So our next ingredient, we're actually gonna take some edible food glitter, and we're just gonna tap that in there. And now our cocktail has this beautiful blue sparkle to it, perfect for the Pride season. Now our last ingredient is the cherry on top. Pop it into Ariel's Grotto, and you are good to go with your cocktail, ready for a queen for Pride season. Yum! All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed creating today's cocktail. And remember, just because this Pride season we can't get together with huge groups of people and friends, you know what? Play your own favorite music, have your own cocktail, and really celebrate yourself, because now is the perfect time to remember who you are is who you are, and that's perfect.